So in this video, I will show you how to watch YouTube videos without any ad. Like I have been using this trick for a long time, and before making this video, I was thinking like whether I should share this trick with you or not. Like if this video reaches to the YouTube, then they will definitely fix that. But until then, you can use this trick also. Just go to the Play Store, download this browser called Kiwi browser, then go to the YouTube section. Do not sign in. Remember this thing, do not sign in. Go to the search bar and search the title of the video you want to watch. Immediately click on three dots. Then click on this section called Ad Block. Now you will find that this checkbox is marked. Then click on it again. When you will click on it second time, a pop-up will appear. Then click anywhere on the screen to pass this pop-up. Now you will find this minus icon. If this icon shows, then you are ready to go. Now click on any video to watch and no ad will come in the video. For example, I am playing this video and no ad appeared. Now again, if I search for another video and click on that video, again no ad appeared. But remember one thing, if you are using this trick and watching video, do not press this back button. Just go to the search bar, type the title of the video and watch another video. But do not press this back button or the home tab. But keep one thing in mind, do not sign in and do not press this back button. Just follow the trick and you are good to go.